Hello, I'm Gauri. Welcome to my channel Arti-culate with Gauri Kamboj. Welcome back, friends. Today's video is a two-part series of 5 salads that I'm going to make. I, like a lot of other people, have been struggling with weight maintenance and weight loss. These tasty and nutritious salads have been a part of my solution. I hope you enjoy watching this video and try to make the recipes yourself. First up is a refreshing and low-calorie salad recipe, the Zesty Guava salad, using a combination of pink guava, cucumber, grated carrot, tomato, coriander, lemon juice, salt, sugar, and roasted wheat crackers for that added crunch. Let's dive into the recipe. Before we begin, make sure you have all the ingredients washed and prepared. Now let's get started. Take half a large pink guava, ensuring it's de-seeded if necessary. Cut it into bite-sized pieces and set them aside. Grate half a cup of carrot, ensuring it's fresh and vibrant in color. Finely chop some fresh coriander leaves. They will provide a fresh aroma and enhance the taste of the salad. The cucumber I'm using is a green one and need not be peeled. Ensure that it is not bitter by chopping off both the ends. Now chop the cucumber into small, even pieces. Take a ripe red tomato and chop it into small chunks. Make sure that the seeds have been removed. The tomato adds a burst of flavor and color to our salad. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, let's assemble our salad. In a mixing bowl, combine the pink guava, chopped cucumber, grated carrots and tomato chunks, as well as the freshly chopped coriander. Season with a tablespoon or so of fresh lemon juice. Add a pinch of salt and paprika. Bring out all the other flavors. Especially that of the pink guava. And there our salad is ready. All salads made here are one single portion for one person for one meal. Now let's add the final touch. Take some roasted wheat crackers and crush them lightly with your hands. Sprinkle the crushed roasted wheat crackers on the top to provide a delicious crunch and texture. Let's continue with our weight loss culinary adventure. In this segment, I am going to do a Thai salad my way. It's a combination of green papaya grated, green chilies, crushed roasted peanuts and crushed roasted flaxseed, roasted pistachio, chopped coriander, lemon juice and brown sugar. Salt to taste, of course. Take a green papaya and grate it finely. It will produce a crunchy and refreshing base for our salad. Crush a handful of roasted peanuts. These will add a delightful nuttiness and texture to our salad. Deseed and finely chop some green chilies. Adjust the quantity according to your spice preference. Now let's put together the Thai salad my way. In a bowl, add together the grated green papaya, some leftover carrot from the previous salad, crushed peanuts, crushed flax seeds, the pistachio, green chilies, fresh coriander chopped, roast and crush flax seeds. This too will contribute a subtle nutty flavor and provide additional health benefits. Finally, add a generous amount of fresh lemon juice and about a teaspoon of brown sugar with some salt. These flavors will be now perfectly balanced between sour and sweet. Give it all a nice mix and the salad is done. Welcome to the next salad. We'll be preparing a comforting and nutritious warm vegetable salad. The salad features a combination of chopped carrots, green beans, peas, thinly chopped cabbage, all parboiled with salt in the microwave. We will also add a tempering of chopped garlic and green chilies and top it all off with a soft boiled egg and mustard sauce. Let's get started. To begin with, chop some cabbage leaves fine. Once chopped, wash them in cold water and keep aside. Next, chop finely 3 to 4 cloves of garlic for the tempering. Soft boil an egg, peel it and keep aside. Now take a microwave-proof bowl with lid and put all the vegetables inside to parboil with a little bit of salt and a small quantity of water. Now steam these at maximum power for 4 to 5 minutes. The vegetables are to be boiled till just slightly tender so that they don't lose their crispness as well as their nutritional value. For the tempering, use a very small amount of oil. Roast the garlic and green chili till light brown and add the vegetables. Stir for just a minute or two. Transfer to your serving bowl. Cut open the soft-boiled egg and place it on top of the salad. Add a teaspoon of mustard sauce. The final salad for this part is done. Now for some pre-prep for tomorrow's salads. Soak some kidney beans and some lentils and pulses of your choice overnight. See you again in the next episode of the salads for weight loss. Bye for now. Like, share and subscribe.